Hi fáistí muintir mark anseo. Seo fís an gear chun letter B a scríobh. So small video, very quickly, just to write a letter B. And what sound does our letter B make? Does it make a k sound? No, it doesn't make a k sound. It makes a b. So we have broga, or balloon, or banya, or bow, and lots of other words. Okay, so you've been doing practice with mummy and daddy today on the letter B. Now I'm going to show you a little video here on my little whiteboard here how we're going to write the letter B. Okay, so if we are finding the letter B a little bit too difficult, what I've done here is I've just drawn a couple of little dots here for us just to do a little bit more practice. So all we do in that case is we just draw the line down like that, and I would do it like this. Okay, so now, very important that we don't have it doesn't look like a 6. It's a line straight down, and then we have a little loop here that's going this way. Okay, and here we have another B I've done already, and I'm going to draw from scratch. So we start with our pen, and we start up here, and we draw Lena, and we draw a B like that. Okay, August Shinne. Okay. So why don't you practice drawing your letter B's? Arish will do it again. We draw a Lena shears, we draw a little loop, we join back up here, and that's our little B. Okay, so I want you guys to practice letter B and take a picture and let me see your work. Slán!